chamada, chamada na cena. Chamada, chamada, chamada na cena.
This pocket option account made $96,000 with only $50 at the start of trading. How the f is that even possible? So in this video, I'll show you exactly how we did it. Pocket option has literally become a money printing machine and is without a doubt the most profitable business that you can start right now. And we have the free AI trading bot giving incredibly accurate signals, but no one knows how to use AI in practice. Today, I'll show you a brand new way to make thousands of dollars per month through the free AI trading bot. So how do you get started? Step number 1 is to go to the bot. Step 2, top up your pocket option account. Trade wisely and avoid risking more than 10% of your overall balance. And that's all. We can start trading.
I'll make this video bigger with less trade and close the session quickly. Notice the trading time. Let me show you how it performs on weekend trading, Saturday and Sunday on OTC. Click the binary trading button. Select OTC. I choose pocket option for this video. Choose your trading pair and time. For more accurate trading, you can mostly trade on live market pairs. Today it's week.
Join my Telegram community, link in bio. Like, share, and subscribe.
You never seen this before. Now I got 4 songs on a billboard. You don't even know about me, no. Used to listen to so much, you know. They said I would never, ever get better. They said I would never, ever get better.
Our trading signal community join link is already in my bio. I also send it in the comment box and description. Here is my full OTC session results, all over 90 to 95%.
So finally, the big question for you now is trading with artificial intelligence worth it? And here's my honest answer. AI trading is great, even if you don't have any skills at the same time, because the bot does all the analysis for you. You just have to familiarize yourself with it and make the final decision. Traders are now using AI to make money from trading quickly and easily, as it does not usually require a lot of effort. And by the way, in one of the following videos, I'm going to share how to trade with a limited budget, so make sure you are subscribed.
Hey, I'm FX Shakib Sheikh. Join my Telegram community. The link is in my bio. Like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.